Hey queens and kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching, as well as click it on this video. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I created these two simple ornate mirrors on each side of my bed. If you all would like to see how, please continue to watch. All right, first thing first, here I have some plywood. I think that's what you would call it. I had it for a little minute here in my home, and I decided to go ahead and put it to use because I actually went and purchased some mirrors from Lowe's where I will be actually gluing onto these boards, which these other mirrors here is a 24 by 20. I had them for a little minute now, so I'm deciding to just utilize stuff I had in my house and bring these creativity or these juices, get the flowing to my mind and create some ideas. But anyways, here you see that I do have 2 packs of these D-rings hooks, basically go on the back of a picture frame, some Gorilla construction glue, a measure tape, as well as a screwdriver. So here I'm basically going to take my measure tape and I'm going to measure from one end to the other end to figure out where I would like to screw the D-rings, I think that's the name of them, on the back of the mirror.
I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen.
All right, queens and kings, so now that I am finished putting my hooks on, I'm just going to flip the mirror over, and as you guys can, the frame, as you guys can see, the wood grain and everything is still on this side here, and this is the side that I will basically put this construction Gorilla glue down. Now, as you guys can see, I am catching hell with getting this glue out, and I think this glue is basically more for a smaller project. I was just actually being cheap, and it did not work out for me. So I'm actually gonna have to go in with a stronger glue that I did have around the house. I just didn't want to pull it out. And which it is this PL530, which is for mirror, marble, granite and everything like that. Now the mirrors side trusses that you see in the beginning, I did use the same glue for it. So I'm just going to put a nice amount on there, and I'm going to place my mirror on top of it, so therefore I don't have to worry about it moving or sliding off or anything. This glue work miracles. So now at this point here, I'm basically just trying to line the mirror up with the board, so therefore it won't be hanging off too much from either side, pretty much. If you queens and kings enjoying this video so far, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you're just stopping by to say hello or just to see what we got going on over here, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, so therefore you'll be notified each and every time this queen upload a video. All right, queens and kings, so with that being said, I'm just going to move on to the second mirror, and I'm going to do the same steps as I did for the first one. But once I am finished, I will flip the mirror over, and I'm going to apply some heavy edges on the back of it, so therefore I can make sure that the mirror adhere to the board. And you would like to let this sit overnight, at least 24 hours, so you can make sure that it all dried and everything is sticking together. All right, Queens and Kings, so let's move on to the fun part as well as to the next day. So here I have me some wooden applicators that I purchased from Lowe's. I have them laid out because you guys know if y'all see this little sheet or little tart or whatever you want to call it, that means your girl is about to go in with some spray paint. Now the applicators, the large one was no more than probably $15 each, and the small ones no more than $5 each, if I'm not mistaken. So here I'm going to take this white spray paint that I purchased from Walmart. I'm going to use this as like a primer or a base, so therefore my color, the next color that I put on it, gonna be able to stand out even better. Because if I just spray it with the silver spray paint, which is going to be the next color, it would eat up the spray paint. As you guys can see, it doing the same thing with the white spray paint. But the white spray paint is just so it can help make the next coat of paint pops.
I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love.
This Rust-Oleum silver, metallic silver spray paint is also from Walmart, which is cost no more than $4, I believe. And this is going to be the last shade of spray paint that I do place on these applicators here. And it is in a bright coat, matter of fact. So we're going to have more like a very chrome polished look. And I am loving it already.
Like a queen, I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been.
For the last and final step here, I'm basically just going to take some vinegar and water to clean my mirrors off as best as possible as I can. So therefore, don't be any type of debris or anything on there. I had totally went blank for a moment there. And then I'm going to take my applicators and I'm going to use hot glue for this point here. Now, only reason I'm doing this because this is just something to give me a temporary look or fix, because I know that I will be changing the mirrors out again, or I can use these mirrors somewhere else in my home. But for right now, I'm just going to use the hot glue, and I'm using Gorilla hot glue sticks as well. Now, to secure these on there permanent, you can also use the glue that we use to secure the mirrors onto the board, the PL530, if you want a permanent hold or some type of adhesive.
Why are you going back and forth?
Okay, Queens and Kings, so here is one of the beauties. I already placed the other one up on the wall, and I have to say I love the way that these turn out. I think they are very gorgeous as well as affordable, using mostly Walmart and Lowe's products. And I think that was it. Yeah. So I really do love the way that they turned out. They gave me the look that I was looking for, and they're gonna go gorgeous and look so beautiful on the side of my bed. And this is how they look up close and personal, and I just love them. I really do love them. How I have it all styled, it gives me that little romantic vibe and feel. And now that I put my little hanging chandeliers up there, this is the look I always wanted to go for in my room. But it is a temporary fix for right now, because more changes will be happening in my bedroom. And if you guys would like to see a full tour, because right now I'm doing Vlogmas on my Decor channel, just check out Queen Val Livin. I will leave it down in the description box, as well as put it on the mirror. So if you guys would like to head over there to see what I got going on, please do so. And thank you guys so much for watching. With that being said, Queens and Kings, you continue to be royal. Bye-bye.